Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dipankar Devrama, Joint Convener, Justice for 10323 teachers. Today, we have come here once again to raise our concern regarding the recent counter affidavit which was submitted by the state government in the Tripura High Court regarding the 2012 science case related matter. Case number is 530-2020. So, as per their counter affidavit, the government education department have clearly initiated regarding the termination of 4 teachers out of 962 teachers whose name was against whom case was filed in the year 2011 and where verdict was given in 2014. So, regarding this matter, we would like to make it more clear. As per Deepak Gupta judgment in 2014, as per his judgment, there are in total 462 candidate against whom case was filed, and they are the person whose job was supposed to be terminated. So, out of 10,323 teachers, there are total challenge 458, and including science 2012 science, there are in total 462. So, as per Deepak Gupta judgment, as per 127 para, they are the only candidates who is supposed to lose the job against whom case was filed. But unfortunately, since 2014, all these 10,323 teachers were terminated from their job. But whereas in case of 2012 science, their job were not terminated, and till now they are into job. So, on behalf of Justice for 10,323 teachers, we seek justice from department. So, as per Deepak Gupta judgment, when they can save the job of 2012 science, why not the teacher of 10,323 teachers? So, recently also our retired Justice A.B. Pal have come up with an article in local newspaper. This is the local newspaper where he had even showed the ways and means how state government could save these victim teachers. But till now, government is not taking any initiative. And we have also met our honorable CM on 3rd of October, and he had given the assurance of 2 months time where he would look into the matter and he would come up with a permanent solution. But till now, till date, any initiative has not been taken by the state government regarding the permanent solution. And even recently also, couple of weeks back, we had written a letter to our honorable governor, but there is so much of due to pandemic situation, he had told us that he couldn't give us the appointment. So, unless in case if government doesn't come up with a permanent solution, then our ultimate protest would be a hunger strike, which we are going to organize on first week of December. See, as per, again I would like to remind, as per the judgment which was given by Justice Deepak Gupta, and in total there are 58 writ petitions. But out of this 58 writ petition, till date all the writ petitions are not being implemented. There are in total 58, but one writ petition which is not being implemented, that is 2012 science writ petition. Writ petition number is 537. So, when all these writ petitions were actually clapped together on the day of judgment in 2014, but till date this writ petition is not being implemented as per 127 para. So, our question to state government is, where is right to equality? Where is Article 14? Why the state government is violating Article 14? The equality is not being given to 10,323 teachers. And for everyone concerned, see, as per NCT guideline, which enacted in 23rd of August in 10. As per NCT guideline, any person who is recruited in the post of teacher should be qualified with B.Ed, as well as they should come through TET examination. But when we see in the case of 2012 science, all these criteria are not being fulfilled. But whereas in the case of 10323 teachers, we were recruited much earlier than the NCT guideline. So, as per this NCTE guideline, I should say 10323 teachers is very safe enough, whereas 2012 science is totally breaking the protocol of NCTE guideline. So, I would like to appeal to state government to kindly implement all these 58 writ petition at the earliest and to save the livelihood of 10323 teachers. And lastly, we would also like to inform, in case in coming days, if all these 58 writ petition is not being implemented, then our ultimate decision would be a good contempt case filed against the education department. If the education department doesn't take initiative to implement all these 58 writ petition on time, then our ultimate decision, we would come out with the ultimate decision in filing good contempt case against the department also. So before it is too late, I would request the state government to kindly save the livelihood of 10,323 teachers. Thank you.